Alright. Gee, where am I?
You are looking at 1,000 by 1,000 ball of TNT.
If this video gets 1 million views, I'll be happy. I mean, chances are it's not going to get 1 million views. I just hit 50,000 video views. This is my 100th video special. I don't actually hate PewDiePie or whatever the title says. I just wanted to see if this video will get a bunch of views just because I put a hateful title towards PewDiePie on it. It took me 75,000 views to make my first $100 off of YouTube. I've been uploading to YouTube for about 2 years now. Look at it. Quadruple digits. Oh, I've never... Go, you freaking orange square. Keep go. YouTube just started to feel like a grind. It kind of felt like I had to put out a video every day, and I wasn't enjoying it as much as I used to, so I kind of took a couple weeks off. I found my old iPod Touch underneath my bed. It actually had a section of notes entitled YouTube, and the only thing I had in there was hit 1,000 subs and hit 100,000 views. This video will disappear, I promise. Watch, just click subscribe. This video will disappear. I hit 1,500 subs, which is just a crazy number. So I went on a bunch of smaller YouTube channels, generally channels with less than 100 subscribers, and I downloaded their intros. This one right here is kind of weird to me. Just random AKs, then whatever that is, a workbench, a furnace, a dispenser, and then inviting Bear 13 to the point where you can't even see the name. It made no sense to me. No, I'm not dead. I realize I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks. If I absolutely don't want to make a video, then I don't make one. I don't ever force videos. So I'm going to try to commit myself to making a video every other day for the next 3 months and just see where my YouTube channel goes. And if I'm happy where it gets at the end of that time period, then I'll keep uploading. If not, I'll probably quit. 2,000 What? You might not have noticed yet, but I changed my name on YouTube. The name of my channel now is MrBeast 6000. Why does this guy have 2,000 subscribers? And why am I speaking in third person? And why am I using this voice? These are all very good questions. So guys, expect a wide range of video games on this channel, and we're all pretty stupid and probably won't upload consistently, but just subscribe.
No, we're uploading consistently. Shh.
Do you want to win $50? I'm about to host a tournament called Battle of the Beast. I have 32 YouTube commentators and have them compete in 1v1s to see who's the best. This is the winners of the first round of Battle of the Beast. 3,000 subscribers! You know that chick from Twilight that can read minds? Well, I'm her cousin, and I can read minds as well.
All he wants in life is 1 million subs.
The other day in the car, my mom was just like, and it was really random, she was just like, Jimmy, do you make YouTube videos? And I was just like, yeah? And she was like, why didn't you tell me you've been doing this? And now we sail for Hawaii. And I've gotten a ton of requests asking for the full song, so here you go.
MrBeast 6000.
Do it! Do what? 140 people every month search how to get a gun illegally. MrBeast 6000, it actually looks pretty good. What's up guys? I recently hit 2 million views. So the first question is going to be, am I adopted? You see, every time you paid that smart Asian kid to do your math homework, well, that's another lesson you don't know how to do, and another problem you're gonna miss on your exam.
I have killed MrBeast, and I am anti-beast.
It pains me to say this, but MrBeast is not MrBeast's son. He is in fact his father. MrBeast confirmed MrBeast's dad.
And 9,999. 10,000. Oh. Isn't it ironic how of all the YouTubers that died, he decides to put PewDiePie on the thumbnail? I just got a random spark of motivation to make a video and schedule upload it 6 months later. Enough with this tyranny. It's time for best intros. We're gonna be blowing up this tablet. Long live Asian man!
Are you sub-botting again, Jimmy?
No, please don't tell Scares.
Are you sub-botting again?
Don't tell Scares, please. I hope you have 50k subs. If you don't, you're a freaking failure in life. Holy crap. Boom. Look at that bad boy. I bought a $1,000 keyboard. So this thing's full of explosives. This is a $1,000 keyboard. What's up guys? Today I'm going to be reading the entire Bee movie script with a little plot twist. Every time the word Bee comes up, I'm going to say all the previous ones. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, it's going off. 99,999. 100,000. 999. 200,000. Woo! What's up guys? Today we're going to be reacting to the reaction of the reaction to the reaction of the reaction to the reaction of the reaction.
Original twist, territorial army, territorial waters, territorial terrorism.
If you want to take it, it's about $10,000.
No, man.
Oh my god! You don't need the 200! Bro! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I don't know what to do since you don't have change. Alright, well, that's thanks, man.
I'm just gonna see my wife. I'm gonna have a lot of money when I go see her and stuff.
I'm glad I kept. Here. Thanks, man. I wanted to give you a check to help you pay for it.
No.
Then, like.
No, Jimmy.
Alright guys, prepare to be mind blown.
I'm hungry.
Alright, we're gonna see if I can tell a difference. Not really. I don't have any cash, but I got some gift cards if you need some help.
God bless y'all.
Yes, sir.
Oh! You can't go up to that and put that out! Grab a fire extinguisher!
Like 100 here for a tip. Would you like that?
Are you for real?
Yeah, for real. Do you have
Is
any
it
money?
real?
Yeah, that's what. Do you
Actually,
have
we'll
anything?
do 200.
Oh my.
What if we did like 300?
We filled this entire tree, the bottom of it, where people could reach with money.
We're gonna give her 15 seconds on a stopwatch. Every time she blinks is $1,000. See, what we're doing right now is very healthy for our eyes, guys. I'm going to attempt to sit underwater for 24 hours straight.
It's 9 o'clock. We have been the only two that have survived 24 hours. I'm done.
Are you sure? If you step over that line, you can't win 10 grand.
Yes, man, that's what I'm talking about.
This took many days to film and was very expensive, like all our videos. We built a Lego house using 1 million Legos, I think.
Oh, that was a hefty one.
12 YouTubers, 1 circle, no sitting, and every hour we add 1 pound to the weight vest.
Are we supposed to get a phone call or something?
Yeah. PewDiePie can't get rid of us. Like, he's just stuck with us.
MrBeast, God angel, thank you very much.
We bought half a row of tickets right behind the field goal at the Super Bowl. What is a giant cereal bowl without cereal? We are last team to leave this roller coaster wins $20,000. Today, we will be planting 20 million trees. This is for you.
Yeah.
This whole house is for you.
These people they're amazing.
My husband had a heart attack and we've been trying to make ends meet.
Wow, I don't even know what to say. Keep giving away my money. I'd rather not have money and see things like that. Good luck.
Surprise! Happy Valentine's Day!
So, we got you 100,000 roses for Valentine's Day.
And it has officially begun. There it is, we did it. Everybody's already passed us. We're being left behind.
Someone told me that you don't have a car and that you got laid off, right? So you want $10,000?